Jai Shri Krishna, the story of a carpenter of Adel. The carpenter was living in the Adel village with his parents, wife, and 2 children. Being an expert craftsman, he became a very popular carpenter in the area and provided a comfortable living for his family. When the carpenter met Sri Mahaprabhuji, who was visiting Adel, he was very impressed by the scriptural knowledge and spiritual ways of the great Guru and felt the utmost love devotion for him. Upon hearing the humble appeal of the carpenter, the great Guru happily accepted his request to become a Vaishnav. Very enamored by Sri Mahaprabhuji, the carpenter stopped his professional work and accompanied the Guru all day long with the desire to grasp every word of wisdom spoken by his Guru. This became a routine for the carpenter, and his family began feeling a shortage of means to lead their life. The carpenter's mother and wife approached Sri Mahaprabhuji's mother, Ilamagaruji, to appeal to her to advise her son to stop spending so much time with the carpenter so he can resume his work. As advised by his mother, Sri Mahaprabhuji advised the carpenter to go back to making a living for his family. The carpenter was in tears. He said, "Guruji, I cannot survive without having your darshan. Please grant me your darshan at least once a day." From that day onwards, Sri Mahaprabhuji visited the carpenter at his home every day, even for a few minutes, to do satsang with his beloved devotee. With this practice of mixing union and separation, Sri Mahaprabhuji made sure that the carpenter remained immersed in his thoughts about him and would not miss his physical presence ever again. The carpenter continued to experience his revered Guru's presence in his mind and heart even after Sri Mahaprabhuji left Adel to continue his pilgrimage around India. The moral of the carpenter's story is that a Vaishnav must never disregard familial and social duties for pursuing a spiritual path, as well as for spending time with the Guru or God. A Vaishnav must never replace serving one's family with serving God or a Guru. A Vaishnav must serve both, the family as well as the God and a Guru. Jai Shri Krishna.